Policy Times Sustainability Business Excellence Award for being one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of premium quality recycled plastic granules. That is a very important segment for us to promote, because we can also be an important exporter of recycled materials for the whole world. So Manish Agarwalji, Director of Vrindavan Plastic Industries. So a quick remarks from you, Manishji, based on the world.
Sure. Thank you, Akramji. First of all, thanks a lot for giving us this honor and inviting us on this platform. Now, my company, Vrindavan Plastic Industries, is almost more than a 2-decade company. We are based in Daman, and we are running this 3 different factories from almost 1998. We have been doing the plastic recycling with a lot of passion from day one, and selling the recycled polymer with a lot of perfection and properly, fully equipped. We have our own labs and we test the material, and with the proper test reports, we have been selling in India as well as in the export market as well. So we have been Star Export Award winners also last few years, and we have been exporting to many countries, right from South America to African countries, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, everywhere. Recycling is a huge market in our country as well. And, by entering into this EPR business, even we people have started this EPR formalities, and we are already a PRO. So this is giving us a huge platform to prove ourselves. And honestly, I should say that this platform has made a recycling industry a white collar industry, Till this time, our recycling industry was not supposed to be an organized industry. But now, by grace of all these things, it has been come into a very organized sector, and we are enjoying, growing with this industry. And there is a huge scope in future, which we all have discussed now in this today's session. So along with this, we have our one foundation, which is Conscious Earth Foundation, in which we are making people socially liable. We think that we are responsible, whereas we want people to understand that we are liable for making our country clean, avoid littering of the plastic scrap, wooden scrap, whatever type of scraps. So we have been doing a lot of awareness programs in this. We are going to schools and a lot of BMCs and beach cleanups drive we are doing. We are teaching the school children, college students. We are doing all this work in which we are making people properly, consciously understand that, yes, only your one pouch can make a big difference. Normally in our country, people think only my one pouch can make what difference? एक मैंने बिस्किट फेंका, खाया और फेंक दिया, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? So this is a very deep-rooted, we are trying to make people conscious. Your one pouch is very important. So try to be conscious, learn this, and see the future, how we can make our country clean. And one more, our biggest, this is Clean the Cosmos. Our Honorable Prime Minister, we are talking about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Whereas this CTC, we have been attached since last 3-4 years, we are running this. It is called Clean the Cosmos. So we don't talk about cleaning the country. We are talking about cleaning the cosmos, cleaning the Brahmand. As we all know, cosmos is like an umbrella. So whatever we are emanating, it is coming back to us. The same is our country also. Whatever we are throwing, it is coming back to us. So in this Clean the Cosmos, just by, giving this talk and giving this awareness to people that just by emanating positivity in the cosmos, in return, we are going to get the positivity only. So try to stay away from the negative thoughts. Everything is possible. We are seeing how this plastic conversion has become possible, how things are improving, how people and brand people will be forced to use the recycled polymer along with their virgin polymer, and that's going to be a huge market for people like us. So these are the work which we are doing, and wanting all of the industry fraternity, all of the industry people and routine people also that to understand and just support us in these foundations and let us grow in the consumer waste and the post-industrial waste recycling business, what we are doing since so many years.
Thank you.
Thank you.